Hello, I'm John Griffith, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And our guest is Teresa Baker. She's the founder of the African American National Park event.
African American National Parks event is an event I started in 2013 to encourage African American communities across the country to get out into our national parks.
So why did you feel the need to create African American National Park event?
After visiting several national parks on my own, I started to notice the absence of people of color in our national parks. And I started to think, if people of color, African Americans, are missing from these spaces, they're also missing from the conversation on conservation. And right now the need for greater conservation is huge. So why not get people out into these spaces, have them fall in love with them, and develop this need to protect it. In summary, African American National Parks event takes place June 6th and 7th across the country. I encourage any and everyone to get out into our national parks, national forest, or state park. And don't forget, submit those photos on my Facebook page, African American National Parks event, or by email, tmbaker11@gmail.com. We are here in Yosemite for the Muir Summit on Diversity and Relevancy, and we challenge the Grand Canyon on the BioBlitz dance, and we challenge America to find your park.
Talking about you, Gettysburg.
That's you, Everglades. That's you, Smoky Mountains.
That's you, Statue of Liberty.
Bird machine. Check.